Tracking showers and thunderstorms working through central Texas this morning. Again, some of these are very heavy. Some of them are loud, but nothing is severe. Still could lead to a flooding threat with this ongoing heavy rain, especially across parts of Bell County. You're seeing heavy rainfall right now in Killeen as well as Temple. Some moderate to heavy rain falling in Temple, the heaviest on the south side of town here this morning. Also have that stretching down I-35 to Belton High School. UMHB seeing that as well. Back off to the west, some of that heavier rain now falling over Killeen. All of Killeen seeing that now, especially near Shoemaker High School and is stretching towards Harker Heights as well. And some of that now working into Waco. A batch of heavy rain that's coming up from Hewitt, Lorena, Bruceville, Eddy. That's going to be moving right into town. So the south side rain is about to really pick up there. So keep that in mind if you're out there driving here this morning, or if you're about to head out the door. These showers, these thunderstorms will be ongoing. Navarro County seeing some rain as well. Starting to see it lighten up a little bit in Bosque and Hill County, which is good news. You're under a flash flood warning until 8 o'clock because you saw 4 to 5 inches of rain overnight, and that is going to be causing some flooding on those low-lying roads as well as low water crossings. So if you tend to travel those, you need to be watching very closely here today, as we will have some of those flooded. There's some showers still moving through Coryell County too, and we're seeing this actually line up along a stationary cold front that's trying to slowly work east. As that's happening, the flooding threat's going to go up along that front, and that will go up for some of our eastern counties as well, although right now the Brazos Valley just dealing with light rainfall here at this time. That line will slowly shift east here as we go through the morning hours, which means we'll start to see things lighten up west of I-35. Along I-35, probably the next couple of hours or so of rain, and then it'll start to shift off to the east, eventually working into our eastern counties after sunrise, and also probably clearing out of here once we get towards midday. That could even bring some sunshine this afternoon to areas west of 35, and it's possible some areas get close to the low 70s today, so a little warmer even though this cold front's pushing through. Behind it, we'll see cooler air for tomorrow morning in the 40s, and then during the day tomorrow back into the upper 60s. We'll really notice the cold air when we get into Saturday morning as the driest air will move in. Again, there's not a lot of cold air with this system, but dry air, clear skies, calm winds. It's going to let us fall down to the 30s by Saturday morning. Then we'll really start to warm up with south winds coming up. That will eventually push us into the 70s for the weekend. The best rain totals will be east of 35 here through the rest of the morning. Still possible you see 1 to 2 inches of rain out of that, in addition to what you've already seen. Western counties have already seen the heaviest rain, and after this, looks like we're clear for the weekend. You can see that sunshine starting to work in Friday on into Saturday as the faucet shuts off on rain chances. 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms here this morning. A high of 68. We'll get down to 43 overnight. 67 coming up on Friday. 36 Saturday morning. 72 Saturday. 74 on Sunday. So really nice here for the weekend. Looks like we'll get a little bit of a cool down there for Tuesday with a weak cold front, and we may have a stronger cold front coming in as we head towards next weekend. And the Brazos Valley, more of the same. That 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms today, but drying out for the weekend. Our Heather Healy's out in the Storm Wrangler. You've got a live shot here of that. She's out there on I-35.